the features that you should look for in a box include, notice how these kittens are playing with the flap. The idea is make a flap here that is small enough to be able to play with. Plus, it's not too big to walk through. The other hat is sitting on the outside, reaching through. There we go. See how they reach through? And the other side is a full walk-through. This shows you the creativity that you as a cat caretaker can have with a simple box. So remember that animals come first. That's our website. You can contact us on WhatsApp.